So now we have this question number 5. Which of the following is not a resonance structure of the others? So we have these 4 structures A, B, C and D. So out of these we have to tell which one is not a resonance structure. So as in structure A, first let us draw this structure A like this. O negative and this carbon double bond carbon. So if the electron pair of this bond, that is this C double bond C, which is adjacent to the C single bond O, if they get shift to this carbon, what we will get? We will get this structure which is like this. We have this C double bond C here, and here what will happen? This CO having carbon this positive charge, oxygen was having negative charge, and electron pair, since it has been shifted to this carbon, so it will be negative on this side. After this, what we can write? Like this. So we can write the structure after this is like this. So this C having positive charge and oxygen having negative charge, they will form this double bond here with oxygen, and we are having this carbon double bond carbon and this carbon having negative charge. So after this, the next resonance structure that we can draw is like this. Carbon double bond oxygen, and here what will happen? This pi bond, it will get involved in resonance with this negative charge. So what will happen? This now double bond will get shifted to this position, and this carbon will be having the negative charge. So as you are observing, we have this first resonance structure A. So A is there. After that, you are observing that this structure shown in this B, that is already this last structure. So B is also correct. So B is also correct. Next we have is this C. So in C structure, what is there? That this carbon, like we are having this carbon. So negative charge is present on this carbon. So we have this structure also here, like this. Left one is D structure. So D structure, we are not having this kind of resonance structure with the structures that I have shown to you. So D will be the answer. D is not a resonance structure of all the other structures. So is it clear?